Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican coleslaw without mayo. Start by shredding cabbage and carrots, then whisk a dressing of white vinegar, lime juice, sugar, salt, and Scotch bonnet for heat. Toss cabbage with dressing and let it rest to meld flavors. Finish with fresh cilantro and toasted coconut for crunch. Serve chilled alongside jerk chicken or fried plantains for a lively, balanced side dish. Gather your ingredients before you begin to streamline prep and avoid interruptions. Measure 4 cups cabbage, 1 cup carrots, and 1 small red onion, then prepare the dressing. 3 tablespoons white vinegar, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 tablespoon sugar, and a pinch of salt. Chop 1 small Scotch bonnet and 2 tablespoons cilantro. Toast 2 tablespoons shredded coconut if using. Having everything ready makes assembly quick and joyful. If you're finding this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to support more easy, mayo-free recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanups a breeze, and it can laughably chase crumbs from your coleslaw spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy the extra time to cook. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by shredding the cabbage and carrots finely to ensure even texture and faster flavor absorption. Whisk white vinegar, lime juice, sugar, salt, and Scotch bonnet until the sugar dissolves and the dressing tastes balanced. Combine vegetables and dressing in a large bowl, toss thoroughly, and cover. Chill at least 30 minutes so the flavors meld, then adjust seasoning and fold in cilantro and toasted coconut just before serving for freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.